Hi, everybody. Happy Friday. I'm here today to share with you guys some organization tips for bills. So as we've been doing every Friday, I'm giving you guys a challenge. So the first one was how to organize your mail. And then we organized, I forgot it already, which one it was. But anyways, we're going to do bills today. And what I have here, I hope you guys, if you're not live right now, you can always get the replay and see everything that I'm talking about. And if you miss any of the tips or any of the products that I mentioned, I can always tap and go and edit that later for you guys. So the first thing that I thought I asked you guys this week, if you get most of your bills online or in the mail, and I have that you guys get both, and we did too, especially with the water bills. I don't know why we still get them in the mail, but anyways, so I will have for you a finance checklist. I will put the download in the files in the group so you guys can download, and I'm gonna try to leave one that you can edit as well. So if you pay your bills online, you can always go and fill up this, so you keep track of your bills throughout the year. So what we're gonna do is just like put the name of the bill, if it's like any mortgage or water bill or gas, and the due date when you pay, and then you put the amount for every month for an estimate of how much you pay. For organizing the bills that you get in your mail, I don't know if you have heard about the Freedom file system. I like to use that a lot with my clients when I do file cabinets. But if you don't want to invest on a system like that, for the bills that you pay and you get the paper, you can always get like 24 of these hanging folders. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna put like, let's say you do one for every single month of 2018, and the other 12 you use for 2019. And every time you pay a bill, you can go and put it in this file. So you usually keep a bill for like 2 years. That's the amount of time that you're supposed to keep them. So what you're gonna do, whenever 2018 is over, you're gonna get these files and put in another file cabinet that you're not using, that is not active, and bring the 2019. And in 2020, when you have more bills, you're gonna get all this 2018 and put back in your active files. So whenever it's January, you can get everything that is from January folder, throw it in the trash or recycle or shred, and you have an empty folder for 2020 already set up. So that way you kept your paid bill for 2 years, the amount of time that you had to. So this is one system that I like a lot. And I'm gonna put the links for the Freedom file system if anybody's interested. They go much more than just like bills and everything, but that's one that I recommend. So these are the two things that I have, like keep track of all the bills that you pay, especially if you pay online. Sometimes they don't, you think that you paid and you didn't. So this is a good way to keep track and keeping all the bills that you get online. Next week, I'm planning a live video on my page. So it's not gonna be in the group, but it's going to be at Disorganized Facebook. And I'm going to be talking about all the papers that you have to keep and for how long. So it's going to be a chat. I'm going to have a guest that is going to explain to us why you should keep and for how long. And I think that should be cool as well. I'd love to see how you guys doing. And let me know if you have any doubts how to organize. Send us a picture. There is a hashtag on Instagram that I created for the challenge that is BHO Challenge 2018. So whenever you get anything organized and you want to share your results with me or with the group, you're welcome to do so. And if you find that everything's overwhelming and you need help or any coaching individually from the group, just let me know. I'll be happy to help you guys. I do, like other than in-home organization with clients, I also offer do-it-yourself plans where I can come to your house and help you figure it out, the systems that you want to use. And I also do online coaching, so you can show me your house through the computer. These are usually in the evening because most of the moms are working, but if you need that, I can always do that as well. So I'm gonna end right now. My kids are in the quiet time. They're good, doing good so far, but I don't want to make this too long. I hope you guys have a good weekend and get organizing. See you later. Bye.